Are there practical, non-chemical pest control alternatives to using Bifen or Talik for homes? Start by prioritizing exclusion and sanitation, because keeping pests out and removing their attractants prevents most infestations. Inspect the exterior and interior for gaps around utility lines, vents, windows, and doors, and seal them with high-quality silicone or polyurethane caulk, backer rod, and metal mesh for larger holes. Focus on cracks wider than a ½ inch and areas where different materials meet. Maintain strict sanitation by storing food in airtight containers, removing pet food between feedings, emptying garbage daily, cleaning crumbs and spills immediately, and reducing clutter where insects and rodents hide. Use sticky traps and mechanical traps positioned along walls and in dark corners to monitor presence and capture roaches, ants, and rodents without poisons. Check traps daily and replace them when full. Apply diatomaceous earth in dry, inaccessible voids like wall cavities, attic edges, and under appliances. Use food-grade material, wear a dust mask while applying, and avoid wetting it because moisture reduces effectiveness. For repellents, try botanical oils such as peppermint, clove, or geraniol diluted in water with a small amount of mild dish soap. Test a small surface first and reapply after cleaning or rain. These reduce pest activity but work best as part of an integrated approach. Common mistakes include relying solely on sprays without addressing entry points and attractants, which lets new pests keep coming in. Fix that by pairing targeted repellents or traps with a thorough inspection and sealing campaign. Another frequent error is overusing powders or dusts in humid or high-traffic areas where they become ineffective or are dispersed into living spaces. Limit diatomaceous earth to dry voids and use traps or baits in accessible areas instead. A third issue is inconsistent monitoring and record keeping, so infestations go unnoticed until severe. Set a weekly schedule to inspect traps, note species and counts, and adjust tactics based on what you find. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and find peer experiences related to the pest control methods discussed here. We provide a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, contractor availability, and project outcomes to help us make better decisions.